Fitment. Compatible with Dodge Ram 1998, 2001, 1500, 1998 to 2002. Compatible with Dodge Ram 2500 3500 truck. Multifunctional. Power adjusted glass, heated, manual flip up, manual folding. Easy to install. Just simply connect the plugs of the trailer towing mirror to the corresponding power cord. No drilling or modifications required. Professional installation would be highly recommended. Upgraded mirror. The towing mirrors provide better and wider angle of rear view, improving visibility and reducing blind spot. What you get. A pair of towing mirrors, include left side and right side, 1-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. One stud is too long. So I put these on my 1999 and a friend's 1994 and ran into the same problem with the electric mirror switch. The top stud is too long and hit the switch so the panel won't go on all the way. If you have regular mirrors, I'd recommend taking one of its studs out and put it in the top hole of the driver's side mirror. Other than that, love them and they're very solid.